This is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof of an EEPROM NAND flash IC containing the firmware for Vizio M470NV. I have made many videos with the same thing, and this is a rough setup: the socket, the ER sensor, the output, the media player currently going through, and a whole TV laying down with a bunch of other boards around. This is what it looks like on the bottom. What I want to do now, that IC was ordered by someone on eBay. I want to show them the system information. This is on the second line there. You should be able to see this is Vizio M470NV. As you can see, it identifies itself. It's placed through HDMI. It brings up the built-in apps. There they are. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to shut it off, wait for it to shut off completely, even though that's not really necessary because the TV is operating out of the RAM right now. It unpacks the information from the NAND EEPROM to the RAM during the initial setup process, during which it's blinking, and right now it is off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write something so that the people who will be watching this will know this is theirs. I'm going to write here M470NV, and that's